Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to contact Bulk Merchant Support in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, you can contact their merchant support team by going to their website. So on their website, just go and click the three-line icon at the upper right corner of the screen, scroll down and then choose support. Then you want to choose for restaurants. Then you want to choose again this option and look for any article that is related to your issue. Let's say, for example, this one. Then scroll down, and from here, you can actually choose get the app, and it'll lead you to the support team. And then the next one is just simply by logging into their account. Now, it looks something like this. Once you're in the Bulk Merchant app, you want to make sure that you're also choosing the topic that is related to your issue. So let's say, for example, this one, account and data. So let's say this one. And then on the article, it'll always, any article really, it'll ask you if the information solved your issue. Just simply choose no, and you'll see an option to chat with their support team. That's it. Now you know how to contact Bulk Merchant Support in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.